We spend hours of time on the way every day. The traffic slows us down. The exhaust polluted the air we breathe. We need a new way to reach every place in the city anytime, freely. Meet Mantour X, the next generation e-scooter that gives you the freedom like never before. Mantour X has a unique inbuilt self-balance algorithm, which enables it always to stay up straight and move forward smoothly. When folded up vertically, you simply engage the follow mode, which powers the front wheel and allows it to roll obediently along beside you. So, when you need to take the subway or step into a building, it will never bother you to carry the scooter. Just hold it and walk fast. No effort required. The use of carbon fiber and aluminum has resulted in a record-breaking 16 pounds. When folded, it can be easily carried around and stored almost anywhere. You can lift it easily with just one hand, which makes it ideal for all members of the family every day. Mantour X is designed to be efficient and for performance. Mantour X is capable of running under the maximum speed of 12.4 miles per hour with a 220-pound payload. The secret behind all that is the built-in 240-watt motor. The potent and efficient motor brings Mantour X to life and to the meeting that you are about to be late. After fully charged, Mantour X can range up to 12.4 miles without stopping. It can take you to half-marathon's finish line if possible. Mantour X puts safety first all the time. Your scooter is equipped with both an electric brake for low-speed braking and a physical brake for high-speed braking. It allows you to have precision control over your braking performance. A bright LED headlight completes the package, lighting your way home on even the darkest night. Mantour X is unique and outstanding among the e-scooter market. We've produced the first batch of Mantour X. Our team rides it every day. Please back our campaign and help us introduce this fantastic innovation to the world.